Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an app to open this Roblox player link. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This is a common error that can occur when you try to open a Roblox game link on your PC but you don't have the Roblox app installed. There are two ways to fix this error method. 1. Install the Roblox app. The first way to fix this error is to simply install the Roblox app. To do this, go to the Roblox website and click on the download Roblox button. Then follow the instructions on the screen to install the app. Once the app is installed, you should be able to open Roblox game links without any problems. Method 2. Open the Roblox game link in your web browser. The second way to fix this problem is to open the Roblox game link in your web browser. To do this, right-click on the link and select Open in Web Browser. This will open the Roblox game in your web browser. You will need to create a Roblox account or log into your existing account if you're not already logged in. So that's it. Those are the two ways to fix the get an app to open this Roblox player link error, or Roblox your PC doesn't have an app that can open this link error. If you find this video helpful, leave the thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.